Welcome, in front of me is a OnePlus Nord, and today I'll show you how to copy contacts from your SIM card to the device. Now to get started, you want to open up the standalone contacts app, and from here tap on the three bars and go to the settings. At the bottom you should see import option. Choose to import from SIM card, and as you can see you will see all your contacts right here. Now unfortunately I have most of them already on the phone, and the only contact that it allows me to import is the my number, let's check it. There we go. So if I change it to the device, there we go, it selects all of them. And from here, if you have a lot of phone contacts, but for instance you might not want all of them, all you need to do is just simply deselect the ones that you don't want, and once you have everything that you do want, simply tap on the check mark, and as you can see, one SIM contact imported. That's because I had one selected. And if we go back, you will see that the contact is here now. So that is how you would import contacts, and if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.